MTN FA Cup matches and so share nano Friday and no Saturday across and Sunday matches nibi and so betimi across the results so 80 eba ibedin komo enso so ewo team reference Accra to folk asoye na afia di nkomo enso so Asante Kotoko squad de kobo team reference ACCELER8Z no ewa ha yagina ina so 80 eba na bibia so na timi akoso kama na me pacha starting from Friday MTN FA Cup round of 32 matches eba so no atram divesa etnafi team reference Kotoko Shining Stars ebon 3-1 and also 80 cost so Northern City and so anywhere power enra na da matches no so 80 eba so a say Northern City share 3 y power and so 80 3 game no end no na say penalty shootout no Northern City share y power 5-4 on penalties and so 80 cost so Doma Unity and Techiman Liberty Youth ebo 0-0 ama say penalty shootout no 2-4 in favor of club reference Techiman Liberty U 24-2 on penalties no win echo edema team reference Techiman Liberty Youth. Accra Lions tenafi shockingly omni FC Nania na de kobani na game no end 0-0 na penalty shootout no na just Nania itimi 5 ama Accra Lions enso itimi 3 on say last season Nania FC had to folk any great Olympics edi free mo and at this season so no where Premier League side ba could free no club reference Accra Lions and so etima course golden kicks and so timi 2 ama dambot and so etimi 2 ama just say game no end no that is a penalty shootout and so timi course ama just say golden kicks etimi 5 ama dambot and so etimi 4 and you said no so timi course and the matches no be and so etimi pass watch ne enye izekra ewo MTN FA Cup round of 32 Sunday games no DBB United any Brekum Chelsea and Airbo ACCELER8Z any Asante Kotoko SC and Airbo Bechem United any Nations FC Pasake Holy Stars any BBN Gold Stars afi team and ding any furnace a year Cape Coast Dwarfs any second D 11 wise Accra Hatofok any Home Stars and Airbo True Democracy any Dreams FC Kara United any TF Exponential and so an airport in Swapon Fidelity in Mediama SC in Swatraman FC and Young Apostles and so ne day Ebony and the Asante Kotoko squad ha science na hat to folk squad and so ha yen hasie in free Kotoko side Kotoko ne club your friend say ACCELER8Z and a airport goalkeepers no A2 Mohammed Kamara and Fataf Seidu on for defenders na Lord Amwa Patrick Asiedu Emmanuel Kote Samba Onel Joseph Ablo and Patrick Ensu and omo de nkura ni bi fry omo youth team no players ni bi ensu timi fry Tenedu Samuel eka ho Michael Chei Jamina Emmanuel Entry Solomon Kwakusa Andrews Intimano Baba Yaya Godfred Eye Kudia Justice Nkuku Blaze Saka Dauda boy fanase Kwampoku Vitos Eye Avoka and Jordan Eye Amisa omo ye squad Kotoko ensu don baba minsusu bi mawo Mohammed Kamara Fataf Seidu Lord Amwa Patrick Asiedu Emmanuel Kote Samba Onel Joseph Ablo Patrick Ansu Samuel Tenedu Michael Chei Jamina Emmanuel Entry Solomon Kwakusa Andrews Intimano Baba Yaya Godfred Kodia Justice Nkuku Blay Saka Tauda Eye Kwampoku Vitos Avoka Jordan Amisa omo squad achese omo de obepiem ewo ene game no match se no so 8 meba oko team a ye friend say eye Heart of Foka available players a chese ne omo so betimi asiakan de ama team friend Accra to folk against team friend say Home Stars no the part before that gate fee no 30 Ghana cedis 100 Ghana cedis and then 150 Ghana cedis kaise MTN FA Cup matches in about so 3 o'clock p.m. Benjamin Asare, Mohammed Sharif Swaib, Michael Awa Mensa, David Upon Afani, Yaya Adraman, Ransford Mensa, Emmanuel Amankwa, Samuel Amofa, Kunadu Yadom, Kevin Osei Asibe, Raphael Amponsa, Theophilus Collinson, Enoch Asubantin, Martin Kakari, Mauli Wayo, Mohammed Hussein, Ahmed Ramza Yusuf, Asamoah Boateng, Stephen Apia Asari, Kwabena Boateng, Hamza Issa, Humphrey Tete, Benjamin Asari, Mohammed Sharif Swaib, Michael Awa Mensa, David Opanafani, Yaya Draman, Ransford Mensa, Emmanuel Amankwa, Samuel Amufa, Kunadu Yadom, Kevin Osei Asibe, Raphael Amponsa, Theophilus Collinson, Enoch Asubanten, Martin Kakarima Wuliwayo, Mohammed Hussein, Ahmed Yusuf Ramsey, and so it's Mekamo Asamoah Boateng, Stephen Apia Asari, Shankiki, Kwabena Boateng, Hamza Issa, and Humphrey Tete. Among a players such as almost beginning a day amateur fan Sakra to folk, or may available players such as almost between a ball, and so it's Media Club. Nintiwi. And
the focus will be on game has a folk ebo nyame atoma ewo the Accra Sports Stadium and I said omubo ewo Legon University of Ghana Stadium mame hwe has de no na ya be hwe koskode ne kakra e be pensa be jampo
yes sir
has a folk had you know
had a BBSC
BBSC pa
anything
2 days ago na mbeka che has mpanyi for say deal no mo de ton abrante de de Sani Mohammed e Denmark AC Horsens na eye pa but AC si wa
na me bisa o say be yetete ton
da be say yes and ntimi nya sa
and then na AC pepe
house cannot be a club that in the middle of a season will just be selling the top players. It is unacceptable. Oh, some me catch us 3 more players and a deals and a number. Hamza Issa, Yusuf Ramsey,
yes,
and your good friend the defender Piqué. Abrante Edward says be careful. And I catch us we should not wake up one day to the story that ABA has a transfer 5 players in the after first round. Sakra Lions a normal.
Yes.
Sakarala yes a normal. But when himself be goes as into me as Ariel.
Wow.
They will not. The people will not accept it.
Okay, so club.
Summertest, they will not accept it. None of them talk about that free number says in the course pressure company for us all. But your clubs are young apostles. If in the middle of a season, their entire team they will sell and use the substitutes to play.
Yes.
Because they are running football for that reason.
Sure.
Kotoko had to folk and some clubs and the object of why they are running football. Now Hamza Issa na matters deal baku for Tunisia.
Wow.
And I know the Hamza Issa any nimpenyu for are rejected outright.
Okay.
Omo rejected na matters a South African club baku opportunity for Hamza Issa. Now the club ako animu and had to folk edin komo officially. After contacting the management of the boy, Omo has edin komo ama has a catch omo say so Hamza Issa any problem name mum ajisi yebu season.
Oh, okay.
The response has Ediama South African club and they say if you want the services of Hamza Issa, it is not a problem. The only problem is that at this point in time, Yebo season now, but there has a Danomuji Liga Hartford are 2 points away from the top.
And I think 2 points. A very good response.
Eti Delali Anku Adiame and then pay for count with the boom. And I'm hearing the club is Kaiser Chiefs. Kaiser Chiefs. It has Amamo a nice reply.
Yes.
One professor or chairman dear Ekachem said you must always have a nice way of saying no. Have a nice way of rejecting a nyoma. But you're nice. It has afa kwan so. Answer say yes. A branch and anything a day Hamza Issa idea open any problem. Name mom. You 6 months here day you hear moba. You better say edin komo. And deɛ metima ka ne sɛ nkɔmɔ a medi awura has ɛnyɛ likely has ɛntɔn player bia biem winter transfer January transfer window he has ɛntɔn player bia biem they will not ebia te sɛ deɛ operation said the offer was too good to reject see two no be the $2 million ba so obeto or says but say Tunisian club will be aba or Algerian club will be aba 150,000 there be has they will engage you
yes sir
mami ma update was set or say school boy there na fe bi mura has any home stars game
any saying
any good news any good news
na so omo ya wie na afi de
why medical say wie set us say medical say wie
na afi de hin na good news no
anyway numre na set us say ednani echim from has camp awako piem ewo techimai okonkuro free camp
okofa ne ma aba na
that's the good question wa answer na wa kire say adwuma wo ya che nyansa ne nimdia so de wo bi
thank you
enti question obi obi say oh nice set I medical say
so ko pack no waba
eti okofa ne nyoma na wakra na waba be bo ana but entisa
it is saying
talks a break it down
wow
set or say to heart folk for now off in fact off
ana bebe
off no spelling no capital O double F off
F no so capital
you cry for exclamation mark me answer edi akire
wow
set for say school boy set na ha adwena na
and mbisa dey see dey
so three things after medical becatch set or say demanded 50,000 as a signing on fee and then 10,000 in fact 15,000 as his monthly salary
wage no
has decided some man 10,000 cedis gross
before deductions
yes and set rejected and says okay we 10,000 on money net almost every month 10,000 man which has agreed
okay
50,000 initially has some man 30,000
okay
later Hearts folk diaspora has supporters no more bruchi baba musa champion dankar mo wakura alasa bosin wa mo wo mu nyina agua ma no ne omo keka ho bom no mo discard mo de abeto say tam
wow
and omo say management ne nche de omo betima tu omo de aka be so so
ne fe
it has for diaspora for the bridges agap no and no after the medicals and set us say ekosia has management who's a new contract and they buy wa reject omo say okay ya teach omo new one buy no na set our clauses bi o say has emfanship na dey we so panyim nim say a Ghanaian player na adwira ba no so say elsewhere say no sign contract mi nya bi
no demand
dwana ne mranto asem tu no sem house nso na enya entiase mi ka wi bia yi na be discuss so three conditions and am set to say free pobi mai edni na ni ache ni krom
name them
number 1 50,000 Ghana cedis no house say omo betua no in 3 installments
okay
20,000 or sign next season 20,000 the last year was a 2.5 it's a half season we omutua first 20,000 no next year omutua 20,000 the last year no omutua 10,000 set us say there
wow
ska no gente obo 50,000 say o genesis ya there because can from and has are not even buying him from another club no matter say be you tuase am weti or no 50,000 nyina has empty say there
wow
ya be kakra the amount nti on that note they could not agree on that clause. Number 2, set us a school boy say has sign on more sign essence has of folk and Jessica Emma Club Biana Efaninti. The management of set us say one more function so motor set us a percentage ebebano.
Wow.
Inti one more up 20% assuming so starting has na team bia bana team to beto set to say $500,000 $200,000 $450,000 $100,000 set to say the management say on beji 20% hat folk mpanyi for say debida and one say na me
an individual
enye sa enti yentimi emphasize sika no emphama so that clause also agreement could not be found on that particular clause.
Okay.
Finally Setosei wanted to be assured of playing time, that or fit no available, he must play. And no and has penny for him without even consulting their coach. It's in the stance of the coach. Coach listen the team no one body around one player.
Yes.
Say who bet training no one serious our more. Enti has for catches a derby. So cross no to be fanship. Say you will play. Omo the shema enye. It abusam ka say san yo ma miensen.
Ayo.
I'm a set say school boy. After over a month of training with a crowd of folk, after passing his medicals,
wow.
Seth Asante Kotoko every has full camp, 20,000 onward transfer fee to his camp, then assurance of playing, and a
signing on fee
in Treno one time and from an house on between installment. I was a point match in a house again, no home stars and able
home stars, yes.
Now FA Cup no ya na surprises wom yan kwachire kura na house for last year bunya a surprise ewo Pubimai omo game
na your mo first official
first
game
time omo ball
ewo
Pubimai na nania eyi omo free afi di omo baako ewo
okay afa
sorry omo no omo ko ball no University of Ghana ho e immigration
okay omo anfa me say anko
da bi omo share immigration and omo bo home stars eso ewo the same Legon stadium ho
Legon ho dem say house omo beka ho.
Oh, say
no
talks are still ongoing. Is a class posted in a national edifice for national team games. And it's hard in a bus pay. Then you for clubs class on Mizu. It's a club of Africa, and I will be almost international games. And everyone,
yes, sir.
House of Folk game we a gamer they will approach it with all the seriousness it deserves. Has also wants to go to Africa. Say they could compare about Africa and has about Africa. Enti Africa no baba two slots na beti dia ko so beti Ghana Premier League akobɔ Champions League obeti FA Cup akobɔ Confederations Cup and Hearts of Folk and the all seriousness ebe wura game we has a seriousness ebe wura.
Wow.
Now coach Abubakar Watara say we need our fans to come cheer us on to victory on Sunday against Home Stars. We coach and Didi Abubakar Watara and the pre-match conference no Abaswa wakasa asem.
Okay.
Abusuya has a team na branch ba ko wo form year pa. But all starting games of Premier League no Mauli Wayo or the highest scoring player at Hearts of Folk.
Why is he almost always on the bench?
Into either or a player out next starting game you starting season or starting games be. But that time has team ni Angele. But every coach now say if you bench maybe or the impact no open ebre no. Or 4 Premier League goals and 2 goals in the FA Cup. 6 goals this season. Any club branch at the Mauli Wayo. Hamza Issa 4 goals. A branch at the Ramsey. Goals in be about 2 goals or so. Sanso and a Cobra Boatin Sonny. 2 goals be enti House of Folk attackers now started confidence in the air. And such games you need the players to be scoring in such games. It brings a lot of confidence to the playing body and the team at large. Say a game when you has next game or a game I know shipa. Omuro mechirim ewo in St. James Sports Arena. Normal ko Samates ewo Samara boy. Difficult game. Has ever here confidence going into the game. And the producer has a game here about 4 consecutive wins after losing to Kotoko.
Wow.
Because almost Kotoko no, we need 3 Premier League games after us.
9 points.
Until we need FA Cup here by 4.
Losing to Kotoko no.
After losing to Kotoko. Now what try say Omokako say Samates as no 5 wins at the end the first half of the season. And so it is going to be difficult. But you know when you are playing sad teams, Home Stars a Division 1 club, they will try to number one try some how players try some sell because this is a Division 1 club. Or ya where say has a folk Sani Muhammad from Division 2 soccer for souls or Kwabruchiri Atono. This is a club or ya where said WB United and a house Ekofa Hussein Muhammad every year. This is a club or ya where say Ranford Mensa every Division 1 and a buyer Theophilus Collinson every Division 1. So it gives them players Nankasa confidence and maybe someone got Tommy. Now me ya their hands no last season for Division 1 for baby. It's the limit to someone. The motivation they don't need anybody to promise them money. say game we yɛbɛma special bonus bia nkyɛn sɛ wanya an opportunity to advertise your talent abra obo Heartfolk. It a game of Japan has any careful, but I think Heartfolk will win this game by a 2-goal margin. A 2-goal margin has every winning game, no 2-0, 3-1, 4. Has every winning game, no. Wow. A comfortable victory for Accra Heartfolk because they know what is at stake. Omonia Brese, Ombaji win we, Eddie win we, Eddie I had Japan.
Accelerate for Belkumase. Omonso ene Asante Kotoko give no. And also saying na etie. Yes, Heartfolk nyame adoma tena omo Bohom Stars na Pepe echimu a 2-goal margin win beko e dey ama Heartfolk. Asante Kotoko enso ewofie baba ya sports team do Kotoko away game.
Kotoko away game.
Yeah, but baso baba ya omonso ene accelerate MC Mpanifo. Then na ebo.
Ebu point of example.
Yes sir.
Governor kasa o omodwa omonum papa
dey Kotoko
no ma abuja panyi nanka accelerate no ye ka this year Steve you obi abomudi already izo da this year no mean say onia sports onia TV na nkofo team ni da so mo videos training videos any yo mo panyi fo abuja panyi say je obenya no etim say FA Cup a festival so
sure.
Idea eba na se obi agene ni bi afi edin bia accelerate 40 omutu no mbenya bia no munya na fi nya zango munya bi se ma ko mo bobi o
yes
na ha na be kai ba ko na be kai e to mo bobi e ba
ya chance de Kotoko na has e don kwampo
motivation of course
e je so ko bisa bibia free o
se ntiri maka cho se Kotoko ne has ankasa no omo ye sponsors of the league but ngofo nim omo nim
when the can so special percentage na ye Kotoko chema be ya
Herbert Mensah
yeah
during those days the no question we say accelerate for no adwomonum pa but they will face a Kotoko team that is ready and prepared.
Omo ntime nkoso surprise bi ade
surprise no betima but esan say me nya su say me obi me wura ade m ko fa ade bantimi hu say surprise beba na obi otimi predator surprise bi just say surprise bi what does it
say surprise okay
tinano na yes say senior girls prefect aseda leading kwanya am ko ka che grandma say you surprise bi ma na grandma say surprise no February be your birthday am na no surprise na say no
wow
enti mwaro stivo adwuna mpanyinfo afa say abroad 70 ye be sene ni monyam no say nkwada na te na omu ma ko na ho
so omu na pese
omu surprise man and obu say surprise no maka na better na surprise bi enti no omu say surprise ba
nyina ma me surprise
ba trasia pa honto ma no nkwada ko ba to guji say abroad nim say ni be go February no dey
just surprise bi
enti say what me predict say game na say be so Kotoko
oh na say elections here ya so far kese predict say surprise basis
obi no what me predict percentage as of for nyina we be win but the surprising could be the margin of victory now His Excellency John Durani mama enyan but also me obi no the percentage buy ba ko kra de on yes 51-49 maybe to 5 enti no question we say yen some tra e bia nka Kotoko ne na di ugly na ebo a metima ya analysis na bi zana di ali be Kotoko en me kra Kotoko ene zango fon so ni mo ya na Africa na bi be nyehu pa o
hefo
enye ali ahela vere mu league mu ko mo ko sere bi emamu ebobo no mo wura Africa na bo mo bo nye
easy
angofo ko ka mza Tanzania for mo ko mo league ho ana
Mauritania
non scoring omo active na ngofo na Roma Champions League omo yere muzapanye nyagro CAF Champions League enti
omo qualified
to the quarter finals already
unbeaten
accelerate for no e wa adwuma ya muzapanye unim meme de a first division team abo Kotoko FA Cup da at that time Asokwa Deportivo na nya second division na first division sa season no open the best players are na wonum ewo division 1 league ma na most of them ebo Asokwa Deportivo
You say Namoro Academy coach and the ball be on Marco
Namoro no different setup. Basco Deportivo no mo ton dem for e jomo dem ball division 1 ni bi. Em say na wasaman e no mo san every year say Romai Rose Park something. Na some match ni yakobo no. Mi dwamenum say the accelerate for jomo ni ya. Enti me patcho so ye kutukuchi tani a enkofo no nneoma mo ye ndi omo kika manen hawo. Now this is the only time Radio 4 ever told Safra president of ACCELER8, and this is the only time a coach of ACCELER8 ever told Safra is a coach. Give na time be BM to me patch all you could support them anyhow. Because that time no say as quite deportivo na that Radio 4 in team.
Yeah.
Etinamia Camacho or Fox FM.
Yes.
No administrative manager. So time na Kankambodu one kasa bujapenyi me Tony Kesben.
Yeah, the coach Kamara na team no.
Bono na me kai se pass ball first 20 minutes e ka kitwa bi se ka Tom Kruger ne Prince Osaje kum na me konto kwa ye create chance ni na ball na ko di ayi Gordon
yes
na Gordon at 10-1-2 no hit na keeper yije that's our opportunity in trans Oba hi okay how cry yi press box supporters in dra na say maybe support the position support Kotoko
and the manager am me video bi Namoro akra bi akwaje the match e will give
no cause me we say
later
o share ACCELER8 for any Ghana busapanyi we Kotoko ni na man how I am pass how this is the only time on bet me job we nya wono job no
ba o mo so mo ba o
ti dia make o me face match o mo bi da Fiso muti no mo a game that the magnitude of the game you say that empire mo bo baba ya kra mo bo order empire so mo bo ne say omo nkwada no will not be overwhelmed by the atmosphere. I know supporters but omo man say there Kotoko last 2 days my impressed with attendance especially the Daily Ghost has given them go ahead. I was impressed. The entire VIP was almost full.
Wow.
Enti ACCELER8 eba omummo mpesa nkwada no pressure any tension me form na early minutes of the game Kotoko enkill because unim Kotoko players bia womo enya game bi emo no game wo mba start na omo adwira wo be game we nya game we dia omo adwira nze coach hwe me ye pa next week game jimbo mi mane enti mame emma just abrante de din ede Henry Anzu this game obe start
okay
Samuel Tinedu this game obe start now the cry of a lot of supporters Tinedu
o nya chance abegire mu a
na Tinedu nya chance ba o se obe ma ACCELER8 for be twa so na ya ka se wonya ade gira atenje
titranse mo
enti the mentality also get Kotoko main squad for na ebo a enkan nkwada no betuma bo because me ye baby any ebo. But this time I know a lot of changes every team no. Such changes never was happening. Ye benya nkwada omo emmo bi omo pese omo secure omo a place in Kotoko team no.
Yes.
Omo secure. E tira say ya dasore ne ko park no so na camera tra bench e ma fatao e da pod mu amman ne obi anya nwa.
Wow.
Last season open one of the best performing goalkeepers in the Division 1 league. Na fatao for future stars.
But FA Cup na say dem cast a surprise wom no. Class akese no nso timi ehye more and the surprise but all the city dey go.
Oh bebre say dey see dey
on Chelsea nom ne nti we ye ntimi ma say.
And ma kan say the normal expectation is Kotoko will beat them. But say Kotoko be show mo do say has be show do say. And no any dey nim.
Okay.
Ma me nche wade ba ko. Kotoko Henry Ansu maka cho so do bi.
Yeah.
Maka cho say Samotine do bebo. Kotoko fon koda na omu na no ne kosi apedi omu nkomo no. Ba akuna ni dinde Jordan Amisa no.
Yes.
De bia Kotoko bebo friendly game bi akura ni se go.
Wow.
Jordan Amisa.
O perform.
Vitus Avoka. Ti di na mebubo yo kina ko stadium na hu a mane nyon Vitus Avoka. Jordan Amisa. Akoda de din ede minim se Solomon Kwakusa na tama 24 no ko camp. 24 maba. Omo ko camp. Minim so maba. Because on kwade so mo senior team na ya na changes back obobi. Eti Solomon Kwakusa no Godfrey Kodua Kotoko youth team boys na be 4 bi. Any Kotoko players are omo bi. Kotoko year registration of Samson Eduku no oginam kina Abuja banyi. Eduku ubo on voice I was say. Ono no any fekra say 2 players no. it is such now the yuku ba or pie tray ama coach adwuna ba no so say ye need this you know Mr. T and no problem but they did not meet Kotoko at a very good time say go musia Kotoko time na Kotoko problems na nkeye Santa na coach is ready to experiment more obi e se ne bi no introduce Kotoko future stars no or starting with the top team mo baba na o boy at that time na man settle no akose aduana 2-0 no per consistency or say omu 2-0 and akose or say has a folk ofiri no call dreams ko say no obebo go star say no and okobo draw away and coach who be there and then obama boys ni be opportunity Abatamo is out of this game we injured obi anim kote epra na no training obi anim so epra omo be wisdom bassy enya available game we middle who changes enya but all you know I think Asante Kotoko what it takes to win this game this season Kotoko ensure more than 3 almost 3 oh 2 the almost be Kotoko ensure 3
because almost more than 2
yes more than 2 yes was it 2
yeah was it 2 but no more
it is a game I know say Kwampoku picking knock Thursday when you training but Friday when you training so Kwampoku ba he want to score Samson Dukuba he want to score Akwadano Jordan Emis and Biba he want to score and Jordan Emis ano nemfafo ani we mu second division for enti nemfafo ani no bo Kotoko and on the conference as I was ro enti it is a game that Kotoko will score more. I expect Kotoko to score more said me can have to folk there no a good a win FA also win FA beyond 2 goals are a difference the Kotoko betimi e dey aguma buso
Richardo Suarez Pepe and out in can
body say a movie do crana say results no enkoya you look at the attitude of the players the attitude of the team where they said they are doing the right things but not getting the result because opposition is better than or more and say they are not clicking as they are they're supposed to. It really has 3 games after defeat to Kotoko. I think say a lot of improvement about now the confidence is there and certain players be sending out ball you know I feel say he has been a revelation and a player initially now me hopes is also beat me I be strong for House of Folk but me they were surprising me and then or convincing me pa and then Oko House of Folk I think say the name of Bono ye SCB and then Abrantiana the friend say Hamza but personally say me he play bia abona baswa I feel say why you that name mebo because was settled in very well and Abubakar Watara seem say when ya that silly now was so ultimate team no echo until when you game typical of anyoma you I say the attitude in the best under review be and him say has been one with the same mentality only about the 3 games and yet a gamer maybe surprise be a few House of Folk will win the game handsomely nyame adomo china game na venue
ni ade ye omo last season
yes last season last season na jokes no doso agro na too much House of Folk no the new man will be agro but this season as a wake up call no Abama they are doing the right things at the right time so a game I make call for at least a 3-0 victory for House of Folk says a game no we also ultimate pick victory no and then I was now come about Asante Kotoko game against Team Ya Obonidi. A dream come true for most of players Ombobo Nyame Adomo China Meka opponents no because they say Obenya Kotoko in such games but the FA Cup it provides that platform say Ubetimine Kotoko share. This week Marty a lot of commentaries and I say media will be omunyina koye and uti omukasana. I think they are overconfident because of the vibe around Asante Kotoko na Kotoko nti I many people drink and never who ada bang nti mrenini this is the time I was a players omu potential and showcase omu this is the time as will be a coach or honor so what it takes ne beer bibinti light bi ankoto no so a the game against Kotoko, it provided the right settings for Sanyoma winning also you. Now on the part of Asante Kotoko this season, from now up to season excuse be to me baby, and I know said the mentality and the focus of Kotoko, so be approach each game with all seriousness, and then the concentration it demanding. When team because minus they are unknown, but such teams so we share na one for the cage method and share and coerce into making mistakes, making the game difficult for them. We or more energy or adrenaline levels on one teson tema and you give my tricky. But that's it. For the number of games Kotoko how almost sorry call from as a more who be nature the quality of Kotoko ekuta players they can respond to every situation and every pressure beba. So encounter me sure so China Kumasi for bebre beba behwe. But personally I feel say any game I also Kotoko I also struggle a gamer should give me if me a coach Oguma at least 4 of the youth players more opportunity or more be in the senior team no more opportunity. Now they are testing the new goalkeeper Ikra signing recently the under 20 goalkeeper Benjamin Troop more opportunity to keep the post na bibi na already my tighten up with experienced name na ya because attack they there say Kwame Poku kra tranche onim say Samson Edukubi bo say uyi Peter Amidu kra tranche onim say Saka Dawda bebo say medo no na say entwin tranche kra onim say baba ya bebo inti that department ne dey e sharp kakra inti Vitus Avoka the rest of names are people boy me if we were in that position I think say can may give it a try at least for the first 45 minutes. No matter the players no it beat me but a very good gamer say Ochina o fie na onye hwe a game o say nyina akɔhwɛ this is a team omobo Wesco and a because of FA Cup no omanya opportunity to play Asante Kotoko. It's a very difficult a very nice game, but I think say Busia people can about to go scoring. Also the number of chances Kotoko creating in the game now almost started any the confidence of scoring large numbers with this goal this game. It's say and then Kotoko with the quality of Onkuta no if game no and then a 4-0 I think say a very okay for Kotoko's confidence.